It was so bright. I don't know what the camera was doing. But hola YouTube, what is up? Today is Vlogmas day 8 and still no car. Y'all, I'm waiting for my mechanic to call me, but he hasn't. But in the meantime, I need to finish my Old Navy video. I need to edit 2 of these videos because I'm behind, as we all know. And I want to glue my wig on, so I think I'm going to film that as well. But this Vlogmas, I'm going to do a clean with me. So if many of y'all do not know, I'm staying with my mom right now. And yeah, everything that I do is between this bathroom that y'all always see me filming and this bedroom. So I am about to clean up my bedroom, just put up some stuff, and yeah, because I need to film. So Lego. I am cleaning up. I'm about to listen to this podcast, Getting Grown. I love them. Jade and Kia. One of my friends at my job, she recommended this, and when I first heard it, I said, girl, why is she singing? Why is she singing? Like, it was really weird. But after you have to like listen to a couple of episodes, and then it's really good. Focus on me. This camera never want to focus. Trash. Can we all just pause for the cause and everybody say hello to my babies? Let me show y'all what I bought, and it doesn't seem to be working. I bought this thing off of Amazon. Guess what it is? A book for your lashes. But where are my lashes? Over here on my nightstand. My mom burnt the taco shells for Taco Tuesday. Now I gotta go to Dollar General. Y'all, it's cold out here. It's cold out here. This my keep away mask. Y'all, I'm about to be real ghetto. Get some. Y'all know what these is? The only reason I like this jacket because you can do this.